I'm in it to win it, I'ma be the best, yes I.
Hello my besties, how are you? Are you in it to win it? I'm celebrating 100,000 subscribers with a wreath giveaway. Yes, I am giving away this huge swag that I made in my last video tutorial. For supplies alone, I spent over $60. So if I'm not being cheap for my besties, this is a huge celebration. Thank you so much to all my besties who are subscribed to my channel. Thank you for all the wonderful comments you always leave me. And most of all, thank you for sharing in the joy of Tweety's return. I am so happy to have her back, as you can tell. Okay, without further ado, please go ahead, check the official rules in the description box below. But basically, who is eligible to win? Must be my bestie, that means subscribe to my channel. Must like this video and the swag tutorial video. Must be at least 13 years old and also be in the continent of the United States. I'm so sorry to all my besties who are outside US and cannot participate. How do you enter? Just answer the question. Are you in it to win it? Go ahead, type down there, I'm in it to win it. Add the little emojis, lemon emojis if you can find them. And I will know that's your official entry to the contest, okay? The giveaway will start today, April 28th, and end at midnight on May 6th, okay? And I will draw your name and announce the winner here on YouTube and also on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all my social medias the next day, which is Saturday, May 7th, okay? Good luck, my besties! Thank you so much for watching this video, all my videos, and go ahead, share it with your besties. Spread the sunshine and lemons, okay? Thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye. Tweety, you messed up my hair. Oh my goodness.
I'm in it to win it, I'ma be the best, yes I.
Are you serious? Excuse me, last time I checked, this is my head. You think this is your nest or something? Naughty, naughty bird.